noma bayathanda noma abathandi i-ANC izohlala ihamba nabasebenzi.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uyibukile indima yelinywa abasebenzi beSouth Africa ekuhlumiseni umnotho welizwe.
Volunteering can open doors for you. We all know that most of the companies, they want experience.
See you isihleli nje asisebenzi.
Iyachayisana imbono yelutsha ngokuvuleka kwamathuba wemisebenzi owenza bona ilutsha lisibone isidingo sokugidinga ilanga labasebenzi. Kulilanga elihle ilanga labasebenzi siyalotshisa begodwa siyakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele. Lotshani. Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa uthokoze abasebenzi beSouth Africa ngokufaka isandla ekuhlumeni komnotho welizwe leSouth Africa. Umengameli ubekhuluma emnyanyeni wokugidinga ilanga labasebenzi e-Athlone Stadium eKapa. Irally le beyisingethwe ihlanganisela yama-union iCOSATU.
Lotshani.
Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa nabekathula inkulumo yakhe yelanga emnyanyeni lo uthi basitshejile isibalo esiphezulu sabantu abatsha abangasebenzi kom uthi baqalelele lokho ngale kwalokho uthi nalabo abaneminyaka engaphezulu kwama-35 ubudala babaqalelele nabo abeqiswa amehlo ngebanga lokuthi sebangaphezulu kwesilinganiso seminyaka ethathwako kilabo abanikelwa ithuba lokuthasiswela imisebenzi. uRamaphosa uthi nakuthoma umbuso wedemocracy bekusebenza abantu abazinkulungwane ezibunane kanti njenganje bayi-16.7 million abantu abasebenzako uthi bazokuragela phambili nokulwela amalungelo abasebenzi.
We say that we will continue to fight for the rights of workers. Noma bayathanda noma abathandi i-ANC izohlala ihamba nabasebenzi. Ons gaan nie terug nie. We want in the end to ensure that working people are skilled.
Umengameli weCOSATU uzingiswa losi uthi nanyana kusesenentshijilo nje siphelele isikhathi lapha abasebenzi bebangana amalungelo khona but nabaveza inlilo zabo babotshwe.
We are proud though of how far we have arrived. Gone, comrades, are the days when workers had no rights.
Nakusesenjalo unobhala zombelele we-SACP uSoli Mabhayila uthi yikulu indima elinywe abasebenzi kulweleni amalungelo kodwa na mkhulu umsebenzi kusafuze wenziwe khulukhulu emkhakheni ozijameleko.
We therefore salute all workers who fought for the establishment of our rights, including the achievement that we have through the democratic government for the national minimum wage. This, while we regard as fundamental, should only be the beginning.
Umengameli we-ANC uRamaphosa uthi kufanele kuqinisekiswe bona amalungelo abasebenzi akaphulwa kunanyana ngibuphi ubujamo.
I-Democratic Alliance ithembise ukuvulela wonke umuntu amathuba wemisebenzi khulukhulu eTjingalanga Kapa. Hlangano le igidingelana ngala namhlanje eMitchells Plain eCape Flats.
Undunankulu weTjingalanga Kapa uthi umnqopho wabo kuhlumisa umnotho wesifundesi kuvuleke amathuba wemisebenzi.
We have to keep the Western Cape DA because the Western Cape works.
Holi we-DA uthi nange bangavotelwa godu bazimisela ukuvula amathuba wemisebenzi abalwa ngengidigidi eminyakeni emihlanu ezako.
So I'm making you a pledge here today that if you allow us to be re-elected to govern this province with an outright majority on the 29th of May, we will not rest until every single person who wants to work in the Western Cape will find work.
Ukhwele wazehlela uSteyn Eisen ehlanganweni ebusako.
Because of the ANC's legacy of destroying jobs, today shouldn't be called Workers' Day. In South Africa, today is Workless Day.
Ngokutsho kwakhe, i-DA ivule imisebenzi ezinkulungwana ezimakhulu amathathu namachumi asithandathu ngomnyaka ophelileko.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uchochozela ukuthi ubuncane bomholo wabasebenzi uthome emalini emaranda azinkulungwane ezili-105 kibo bonke abasebenzi. uMalema bekakhuluma seralini yamalanga amathathu yokugidinga ilanga lanamhlanje abayibambele eHammanskraal eSoshanguve ePitori.
uJulius Malema nabekathula inkulumo yanamhlanje ye-EFF Kilembizo uthe ekorweni yozokumayina imali yemiholo ezinkulungwana ezili-12 wamaranda incane kwasayona esikhathini sanamhlanje. Uthi kufanele kube nomehluko ebafundini abaneziqu kunye nabaphase umatriki ngabakuthola kuhulumende. Uthi abaneziqu kufanele banikelwe imali engcono kunama350 wemali abayitholako le. I-EFF ithi akube nemali eholwa abafundi abaneziqu abangakabi ukuthola imisebenzi.
We want the workers in the mining sector to also be paid properly. We were saying they must get 12,500 in the past 5 years. Today, workers in the mines are getting more than 12,500. So we want the lowest paid worker in the mine to be paid 17,500 upwards because the workers have a right to earn more.
Ehelweni labonkhetheni be-EFF ihlangano leyiphakamise unobhala zombelelo wayo kwaZulu Natal uMarshall Dlamini njengomkhethani wayo.
We've now redeployed our Secretary General there every day without fail. They are engaged with the masses of our people because we will turn around the situation in KZN. We got 350,000 votes in the previous election and we hope to get more than that.
I-EFF inethemba lokubuthelela abavoti kwaZulu Natal okungagcine kubangele ukuthi inhlangano zibuse ngokubambisana esifundeni lesi.
Indaba nazenjalo umholi we-IFP uvele enkosini Hlabisa uthi kuyathunana bona kugidingwa ilanga labasebenzi nje ukube kanti ingidigidi zabantu bahloge imisebenzi kanti abanye baduda ngaphakathi komtlhago. Ubekhuluma namakhulukhulu abalandeli be-IFP eSasol Club Center eMbalenhle eMpumalanga. uHlabisa ulemukise abahlali nabalandeli behlangano yakhe bona baphume ngobunengi bayokuthatha ikululeko yabo ngomhla ka-29 inyanga le.
When we went to elections in 1994, April 27, we had great hopes, aspirations and dreams that once we have achieved our freedom, our lives will prosper. But on Saturday, when we celebrated 30 years, we also took an opportunity to take stock of how far our country has gone. The hard reality that confronted us when we took stock. Millions of South Africa are unemployed. Millions of South Africa daily are targets of crime. Load shedding is a major problem in our country that has destroyed our economy. Billions of dollars have disappeared in the wrong hands during the state capture and corruption in our country.
Ihlanganisela yama-union SAFTU izwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngokubiza ukukhulu kwendleko zempilo kuleli izinga lokuthayela kwemisebenzi. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi intengo yepetroli kulindeleke bona ikhuphuke nge-37 cent litha ukuthoma phakathi kobusuku banamhlanje. ISAFTU ibambe irally yelanga labasebenzi esishiro hlanu kwePolokwane eLimpopo.
Bekubovu kube esishiro. Amakhulukhulu abasebenzi abangaphasi kwama-union ahlukahlukene kangaphasi kweSAFTU bebayingcenye yerally yelanga labasebenzi eLimpopo. Irally le beyibanjwe ngaphasi komongo othi commemorating the 30th anniversary of democracy amid worsening unemployment, inequality and poverty. Umengameli weSAFTU Musima Maredi utshela abakhambeli irali lebona imithetho eqinileke bekwemakorweni nomphakathi ithuwelelisa ubujamo obungakarisiko abasebenzi abaphila ngaphasi kwabo.
The government is not filling the post because they are cutting budgets. The National Department of Finance should give the Limpopo government money so that teachers don't loiter in the street and they be hired for permanent, not for contract.
Zingaphezu kwe-31,000 inkhala zemsebenzi yabotitshere ezivulekileke elizweni elizombelele. Ezingaphezu kwekulungwana zazo ziseLimpopo. Abanye abasebenzi abakhambela irali yesishikho le baba uhulumende bona aqinisekise bona abasebenzi basebenza ngaphasi kobujamo obungcono.
You will go to the schools, you will find the vacancy, but in order to fill those vacancies, it takes forever. And that is the sad part on behalf of ourselves as workers.
Umaredi uhlabe nokukhuphula intengo yepetrol ngelanga labasebenzi. ISAFTU ibamba irali efana nayo le nePumalanga Kapa.
Kanti njengoba ilizwe liligidinga ilanga labasebenzi, abasebenzi besitolo esithengisa ukudla nenselo eMbombela bahlangabezana neentshijilo ezimbalwa ezifaka hlangana ukuthayilelwa zinthuthi ezibasa ekhaya nabachayisako okwenza bona babanjwe igunzi.
Bagobile bathatha ama-order basiza abantu ngokudla nenselo kuzakuthi ngemva kobana badlile basale bahlwengisa. Iningi labasebenzi aba likhululwa yihloko ngesikhathi sokutshayisa kunobangela ukungazi ukuthi bazokufika njani emakhaya. Abanye bafisa ngathana urhulumende angasiza ilutsha elingasebenziko endaweni abahlala kizo.
Bangitshayisa ngo-11 angibini transport gcina sengicela i-car guard ukuthi ngikhaphe ngofika endlini ngoba la endleleni house safe for me.
I-government ayizame ukuthi bakhele something labangayenda ngoba bakhona abantu labangakafunzi but bakwadi kwenta imisebenzi etandla. I-government ingazama kwenta ama-community centers ukuthi labo labangakhoni ukufunza bangakhoni ukubona but babe nemisebenzi etandla.
Ubheka inkosi pheze uneminyaka elithumi asebenza esitolwisi nakuye nabanye asebenza nabo kubudisi ukufika ekhaya ebusuku nabachayisako. Unkosi uthi ibhisi yokugcina iphuma ngo-10:30 ikhibe ichief yakhe iphela ngo-11 ebusuku.
From here to a town in Walker and it's not safe because in Puma late akuna transport ebusuku kufuna high calendars mabus ethu agcina 10:30 mina ngiphuma la ngo-11 normally ngiphuma ngabo 11:30 futhi because we have to do my cash up and everything.
Isekela likaMengameli ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi ihlangane busako inamahlelo nawo ukusizila utshabona lithola imisebenzi.
We have a plan. If you look at our manifesto, we say the top priority is to implement our jobs plan because we have realized that that's where the big problem is, particularly amongst young people.
Abanye babasebenzi besitolisi bakhombela umqatshi bona abakhuphulele umholo wabo njengendlela yokuthokoza umsebenzi abawenzako.
Nasibuya Ntolo.
I've been trying to look for employment through the typical methods of looking for it, but I feel like my voice wasn't heard.
Kunefuneko yokuchukulula izinto ngombana abantwana abaqede e-university abawuthola umsebenzi ngombana bakufundele akukhambisani nalokho okufuna amabubulo. Saphethe indaba zaSindebele ku-SABC 1 kazi nazikuphindileyo uyazifumana ku-YouTube, Facebook naku-SABC Plus. Umkhandlu ohubhulula ngesayensi Human Sciences Research Council ithi kunefuneko erhabako yokuphucula imfundo ezenziwa emazikweni wefundo ephakemeko bona zikhambisane nalokho okufuna amabubulo okuzokwenzela ukuthi abafundi abasuka ema-university nama-college bakwazi ukufumana imisebenzi. Abahubhululi bathi abafundi baqede ema-university babhalelwa kuthola imisebenzi ngombana kunomehluko emfundweni ze-university nalokho okufunwa zinkhampani kufuze zibaqatshe.
Indaba kaMomelezi Sifumba ithome kuMathuwo yagcina ngebangathabo. Ukade bethi izandla abawumsebenzi kodwa na kuthe bona isibawo sakhe saziwe umuntu wonke nenkundleni zokuthindana. Amathuba afika mbhedla nje ukufola kuye into edluleko. Uthola umsebenzi wokuba yi-project engineer.
I've been trying to look for employment through the typical methods of looking for it, but I feel like my voice wasn't heard, so I decided to take it out to the streets by writing on a placard that I'm seeking for the opportunity, put my details, then I went outside. And little did I know that I was gonna get a lot of, people were gonna like notice me and try to hear my story out so that they can find ways to assist me with my situation.
We're absorbing probably only 10 or 12 of them, unfortunately, every year, but at least they're coming into the organization with a different thinking, and they bring a different sort of angle to the business, which we find to be very positive. So for the rest of the organizations out there, I mean, it's something you should really look at. You're able to uplift the community, but at the same time you're also able to bring in a different element into your employment.
Ihlolombono enziwe umkhandlu ohubhulula ngezesayensi i-Human Sciences Research Council ifumene bona inkampani ezingaba amaphesente ama-31 zalapha ekhethu zilila ngokuthi abafundi esele baqeda imfundo zabo emazikweni wefundo ephakemeko abanawo amakhono fundwa angenza bona baqatsheke abanye bagcina sebadanele emabhizinisini.
Well, I've volunteered for job experiences and I still volunteer, especially in my area.
Volunteering can open doors for you. We all know that most of the companies, they want experience.
Umkhandlu lo uthi ama-college nama-university kuzakufuneka asebenzisane nababelane ekoroneza amabubulo kobanyana kuzokukhonjwa amakhono fundwa amatsha ahlogekako bese ayafakwa emfundweni ezenziwa ema-university nema-college.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi ubona sikhona na isidingo sokugidinga ilanga labasebenzi. Akhe siqala umbono wakho Mbukile.
asebenze etolo sihlele emakhaya siyahlupheka imisebenzi ayikho izingeni labantu abangasebenzi liphezulu kakhulu
right elisuku la bekwa ngokusemthethweni kwaseqaleni ngoba abasebenzi abazuzinto kulo elisuku liyabanceda ukuba bayaphumula kusasazi.
Asikho nesincane isidingo sokuthi kugujwe usuku okuthola abasebenzi kodwa abasebenzi bebe basasebenza ezimeni ezinzima ngabezicayi namaholo abo bengabenelisi.
Asizoligidinga phela umsakazi ngoba izingane zabomeya zamakhansela zabongqongqoshe kanye nomengameli ziyasebenza zona silekelela zona ekuligidingeni.
Kubhakalo losuku mina ngisibona isidingo sakhona ngoba livusa usizi mangabe ungasebenzi uza kugujula ngalabasebenzi kwinqwaba engake ngasebenzi.
Umbono ngewumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Abalimi nabasomabhizinisi abasathuthukayo endaweni ezisemakhaya esiyingini senkangala eMpumalanga bathi bazokulinga ngakho konke okusemandleni ukufaka isandla ekuvuleni imisebenzi nokuhlomulisa ilutsha elingasebenziko nalabo abafuna ukungena emkhakheni wezokulima. Lokho kunjengombana bahlomule ehlelweni likamasipalada wesiyingi senkangala eMpumalanga lokusiza amabhizinisi nabalimi abasathuthukayo ngensetshenziswa.
Ulungile Mkhize ozuzileko vele siyabuswa obhura ngenkukhu namaqanda uthi sekanesikhatshana sekelwe ngensetshenziswa uthome ngenkukhu ezimakhulu amahlanu kodwa namva nje sela nenkukhu ezibalele inkulungwane ezilithumi ngenxa yensetshenziswa ezi.
Si off grid asisebenzisa igezi because of this funding. Namhlanje into le isasihelebha kakhulu sathoma ngenkukhu ezi500 nje siku 10,000 yenkukhu sesikhulile kakhulu because of equipment le esasupply yiyo iprogram le.
Ngokunjalo noJacob Masingi weMaphotla yena ke uthi insetshenziswa nikele zona zilisizo khulu kuye ngombana nesikole esincane sifundisa ngokulima yeke ke ukuba khona kwazo kuzokwenza kube lula ukuhlomisa abafundi ngelwazi elinabileko kezokulima.
Sayenza izinto ezibizwa ama-grow medium siwaberekisa for kuma-hydroponics so nga-applya for i-tunnel ye-hydroponics ukuthi at least ngikhona ukubona ukuthi i-waste le ngakhona uyisebenzisa ukuthi ngikhulise intshalo ngibuye ngi-supply nentshalo phezulu kwalapho then nama-student angakhona ukufunda ngokungcono kweze agriculture.
Bezokuthuthukiswa komnotho wendawo kumasipalata wesingi senkangala bathi ngehlelweli babe ngokuraga umthlago nephango ebantwini.
Siqala le program ukuze silwisane nendlala, abantu bakithi bahlupheka abanamsebenzi, abantu bakithi bayathendarisha but thina sathi asibenze ama-enterprise.
Ihlelweli bingwe ngalo bona qobe eminyaka kube nabo somabhizinisi nabalimi abasekelwako. NginguComfort Masomboka wendaba ze-SABC eMiddleburg eMpumalanga.
Besayi kunjani ubujamo bezulu?
Kufuthumele Thandeka nombukeli ekhaya. Ngokulapha egwini elingePumalanga Kapa lasibona khona amathutshana wezulu alinganisela ku-30%. Akhe siqale. Lochane ekhaya ngelanga labasebenzi sithembe ukuthi uphumule kamnandi. Sesike sakhuluma ke ngamathutshana naka wezulu alinganisela ku-30% esifundeni sangale ngePumalanga Kapa ahloleke nakancazana esifundeni sangale ke ngaKwaZulu Natal. Ke sikusuduke ukwazi ukubona ukuthi kunjani ke ubujamo bezulu amazinga wokuchisa ngesifundeni sange Gauteng lifuthumele yonke indawo lapha eBronkhorsspruit nge28 ePitori siwabona nge29 iLimpopo sibona ke ifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuyachisa eliphalale nge31 Mosina ichisa nge33 ePhalaburwa nge32 degrees asiyokuqalela isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga kubomhlanga Middelburg kuyachisa nakhona kufuthumele khulukhuluke lapha esikhukhuza kuchisa khudlwana nge32 lapha ke KwaZulu Natal siyayibona ke ukuthi ifuthumele yonke iDurban nge26 asiyokuqala lapha ke ngePumalanga Kapa sibonile amathutshana wezulu nokho noma kunjalo ke isifunda siyachisa endaweni eziningi nalapha eTjingalanga Kapa kuse Cape Town lapho kuphole khona nge22 iNorthern Cape yabonakala nayo ukuthi indawo eziningi siyachisa khulukhuluke lapho ke bo Springbok nge34 degrees Celsius asibonane ngesikhathi kudu esilandelako Dido